Welcome to Brunei Darussalam Accounting Standards Training on how to get started in Accounting Plus. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step guidance on how to get started with Accounting Plus in Cendana and introduce you to the newly developed help function built specifically for BDAS entries. By the end of this training, you will be expected to have a brief idea on what Accounting Plus is all about and know how to navigate the modules in the system easily. Now let's start by logging in user credentials. For this guide, I will be using a demo environment. After you have logged in, you will be brought into this homepage. For every new user, when you click on any of the modules, you will be opted by the following pop-up, which is a disclaimer for Accounting Plus. Your use of Accounting Plus is governed by the terms and conditions contained in Cendana subscription agreement and this disclaimer. You may go through the disclaimer note. You may click Accept on the bottom right side of the pop-up window to proceed, or click Decline, which will lead you back to the initial login page. For this demo, I will click Accept. Welcome to Accounting Plus. You may find two buttons on the bottom of the page, which is Get Started Now on the left and Learn More on the right side of the page. Click Learn More for a brief introduction about BDAS and a brief idea to what are the benefits of using Accounting Plus. Let's go through the benefits and features of Accounting Plus. It is a system powered by Cendana consisting of guided entries to comply with 20 standards under BDAS. Accounting Plus is aimed to enhance the credibility and transparency of financial reporting in Brunei Darussalam. In terms of traceability, Accounting Plus has the ability to link its report to individual transactions, while at the same time directly links and updates from sales, purchase, and inventory modules. There will be no problem for users to access Accounting Plus as it can be accessed anywhere and anytime from any internet device. The data security of Accounting Plus is also locally hosted and handled by experienced data management. And last but not least, Accounting Plus can automatically update based on national standards. To get started, users can click on this arrow at the top left side of the page to go back to the Welcome page and click Get Started Now. A dashboard of all 20 Brunei Darussalam accounting standards are displayed accordingly. As you can see when you hover over each module, a brief description of each module is defined for your easy reference. The presentation of financial statement is grouped under BDAS 1, which is where the end result will be displayed under subcategory of profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Under BDAS 2 is where you can store your company's accounting policies accordingly. More details can be easily accessible as you click on the desired module accordingly. Now let's take for example if you like to enter a property plant and equipment entry, you may click on the module under BDAS 3. When you click on the module, you will be automatically directed to a list view of vendor bill transactions. These are some of the past entries this demo has already entered. Click Create on the top left side of the page and you will be directed to a new vendor bill page. Accounting Plus is also specifically designed for user-friendliness where built-in teardrops here are guided, which will show users to which mandatory fields to enter first. Click Help to understand more on the standard and how the entries are entered. This can be found at the top left corner of the page. Welcome to the Help menu. The function of this Help menu is a step-by-step guide for users to have a brief idea on the details of each standard and ultimately help users to navigate the page easily. This help menu is specifically designed in accordance to BDAS 3. Under vendor bill transactions, it is generally divided into 3 sections accordingly: Get Started, Mandatory Fields, and Item Fields. Under Get Started, you can find a brief introduction on BDAS 3. A sample scenario on BDAS 3 entries can be found under Record Transaction in Accounting Plus, where you can have a brief idea on what kind of entries are categorized under BDAS 3. You may refer to these two tabs, which is how to view journal entry transaction and how to reverse journal entry once you have already entered the entries. Users are required to fill in the mandatory fields and item fields in the vendor bill page. Further details can be found under each category. Once you have gone through the Help menu, you may click on the Exit button on the top right side of the pop-up page. If you need more help, guidance, or demo on how to get started, we will be more than pleased to assist you. You may contact us with the following details as shown. Thank you for watching the training video for how to get started in Accounting Plus.